How to merge PowerPoint presentation. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can merge two PowerPoint presentation. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your first PowerPoint presentation where you want to merge the presentation or slides from the another presentation. Once you have this, now you have to add piece. So here, click on insert from this menu bar at the top. Here under the new slide, click on this drop down. Now from this menu, you have to click on reuse slides. After that, click on browse in order to select your other slide or other presentation. So from your device, you have to select your second presentation from where you want to add these slides from. For example, I have this presentation right here, then click on open. After that, you will find all of the slides of the second presentation. So from here, you have to select the slide that you want to add. If you click on your slide, it will be added in your current presentation where you want it to add. If you want to add all of these slides, then what you have to do is right click on any one of the slides here and then click on insert all slides, and with that all of the slides will be inserted in your current presentation. So in this way you can merge presentations, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.